What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. Man, I know you guys haven't seen a video from me for a while. And honestly, I've been neglecting my merch account. And I definitely was talking to myself about it. Like, okay, I really need to get on my shit with this merch. So, yeah, I just want to talk to you guys about what's happening to my account. And it just, something happened that was like really, really discouraging. But we gotta push on. We gotta move past those things. We gotta stay consistent, so we can reap the benefits of this. And we have a merch accounts, and we can't take this shit for granted, man. We can't. We can't. We can't. It has too much potential. So I'm gonna talk about a little bit what happened to my account and why my earnings are down so much. So first, let me show you guys my numbers for the last, 4 or 5 months or whatever. So let's click this. So last month in March, I only made $156. I think it's a little bit more because it's from the other countries or whatever, but not much. I think it ended up being like $180, 200. But in February, I made $1,200. January, I made 672. Let's see. And yeah, the last, Q4, every month I pretty much made over 1,000. So December 1,600, November 1,900, 2,000. You know what I'm saying? You guys can look at this, screenshot it, whatever, if you guys want to. Um, but yeah, so basically what happened was a niche that I'm in basically got, it's hard to explain it without giving you the niche, but basically in the niche I'm in, the business licensed kind of the niche basically. Um it's basically like a category of schools basically, and Amazon basically has those businesses or has those schools or has those whatever um, licensed now, and they sell on Amazon. So I found a kind of a cool niche to kind of sell in that niche without it being a copywritten thing. So that was my biggest niche. I'm still selling in it, but because the those people have merch accounts now, my sales went skydive down. Um, which was one thing that I want to tell you guys is to really diversify your niches. At one point, I thought it was best to kind of put a lot of designs in one niche, which it worked for me until it didn't. Um, because this has happened to me before, but kind of a different way. Like I can tell you the niche for the other one. It was cryptocurrency. Amazon took about, I don't even know how many designs of mine down that were selling, lots of reviews. First, I was on first page when you type in Bitcoin shirt. Like I was, that was another niche that I was in that I poured a lot into, and then next thing you know, it's a copyright thing. But this time, it's not a copywritten thing. It's just there is a bigger brand that has representation to the niche, where it's like nothing else in that niche but those top few things are selling. I was on the first page with 5 or 6 different shirts and hoodies on the first page, and now I'm not there anymore. And so this decline coming from making this from Q4 and even the last couple months, 1,200 in February, and then I went from 1,200 to $156, just all because of that niche. And that's one of the niches that I had. You know, I sold a lot of hoodies for $40, so that really drove down my thing. But anyway, you guys, I really just want to focus on my account, and I'm gonna start, posting these videos again because I realized that my YouTube channel actually helped motivate me, connecting with you guys, reading you guys' comments and messages you guys send me, and it keeps me motivated staying in the community. Definitely about to get back on my like all the pages that are created for merch, like on Facebook and the community groups, and just um, surrounding my lifestyle with the merch. Um, but yeah, so you guys, I can show you guys where I'm at too. I'm only missing 120 sales to go to the next tier, but I have a whole bunch of designs that I need to fill up. I'm not to 80% yet. I'm at 72%. So my goal is to definitely get over the thresholds to go into the next tier. And I'm going to show you guys daily how many products I got, designs, and how many sales I get. I really just want to dedicate the next 30 days at least, like really like put in my full effort. I'm still going to stay consistent beyond that, but like really like excessively trying to fill up my designs, because it's like I can sit here and complain all I want to about how my sales are, but I still have 1,100 designs I can fill up, and I'm bullshitting. Like, and that's on me. But it's all about accountability and just trying to stay consistent. So, yeah. But yeah, I think that's sort of all I'm gonna say for this video. I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's been like 7 minutes, but I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate all the comments and trying to get me back to posting videos. But yeah, until next time, you guys hit the sub button, like, comment, all this shit, all the stuff, man. And y'all see me again soon. Peace.